Why is China still the manufacturing leader? China has maintained its position as a global manufacturing leader because of several factors and the growth China has shown in the past few years. If we compare it to other countries all around the world, and its manufacturing economy has a lot to do with that. The first factor we want to talk about is China emergent and manufacturing leader because of its low salary rates. Even though since 2001, hourly manufacturing wage in China have risen by an average of 20% per year. China's factories are still cheaper than the rich world rivals. Second, and related to that, despite the labor force is a lot cheaper than the competitors, they are more efficient, something that attracts huge companies to invest in China in order to pay less for more products in less time. They are increasing the productivity. McKinsey, a consultancy, found that labor productivity increased by 11% a year in China from 2007 to 2012, compared with 8% in Thailand and 7% in Indonesia. With Chinese factories just starting to pour money into automation, there is scope to improve productivity further. Finally, with all the improvements they are doing to increase their productivity, a lot of foreign companies are investing in opening factories there. It means that the economy in China will be moved foreign capital to invest, and supply chain around them will provide new business opportunity from China's businessmen and companies. In order to have better look on how an improvement global manufacturing is in China, we can see that produce about 80% of the world air conditioning, 70% of mobile phones, and 60% of shoes. We are talking about a lot of important products that today's supply chains. Why is introducing robots an accelerated pace? Right now China is a manufacturing leader country, but the labor cost is increasing each year. The whole Asian region represents a threat because a lot of countries also focus on manufacturing and can compete against China. They know this and want to take care of the situation before someone else takes the global manufacturing leadership. The country wants to innovate and introduce robots to move and automation and increase the productivity and have a competitive advantage. The strategy requires a major investment and it will be costly for other countries to imitate it. This is the main reason why the introduction of robots is an accelerated pace. China knows they have to move faster in order to maintain their leadership. Another issue to consider are the benefits from using robots against labor force. Humans need certain conditions to work properly. Also, they need to rest, many incur in common mistakes and get sick and must be paid. On the other hand, machines can be programmed to perform some activities and once the investment has been done, it only guarantees maintain cost and need little labor force to operate them.